We're tracking down the illegal alien criminals. We're detaining them, and we are throwing them the hell out of our country. We have no apologies, and we're moving forward very fast. They're very dangerous people.
We'll use all necessary state, local, federal, and military resources to carry out the largest domestic deportation operation in American history.
You saw yesterday, we've made it clear to every country that they will be taking back our people that we're sending out, the criminals, the illegal aliens coming from their countries. We're taking them back, and they're going to take them back fast. And if they don't, they'll pay a very high economic price, and we're going to immediately install massive tariffs.
We'll use all necessary state, local, federal, and military resources to carry out the largest domestic deportation operation in American history.
All eyes are set on President-elect Donald Trump, who will in a matter of minutes be sworn into office and become the United States' 47th president. While that is being done, concerns around the world as prior to his election, he revealed that on his first day in office, there will be mass deportations. But how does Jamaica fare in all of this? O'Shane Masters has our first report.
There's an estimated 11 million people in the United States who lack legal status, and for them, concerns as to when they will be deported or extradited. It follows comments by incoming President Donald Trump, who vowed to begin enacting the largest mass deportation operation in U.S. history on day one of his presidency, with one aide saying enforcement will begin the moment that President Trump puts his hand on that Bible and takes the oath of office on Monday. But what's the impact on Jamaica? Robert Finzi-Smith is a security consultant.
First thing you would have to ask yourself is, will this now contribute to our crime rate? Because they will have to find sustenance somehow, and they may not have the wherewithal to do so legally.
It's a point, too, which political commentator Lord B. Smith has taken note of. However, he says the government must now take decisive action.
Clearly, in that vein, the government should become proactive and begin to look at what kind of social program it can develop to assist these persons. They are, after all, citizens of this country still, and so regardless of their background, whether it be criminal or otherwise, there should be some response from the state to ensure that, for one, we don't have our streets being littered with them, or on the other hand, they become a menace to society by preying on law-abiding citizens.
But just how large that operation is and how swiftly it can be carried out will be determined in part by whether the administration can clear a number of hurdles. Those include pushback from some cities and local law enforcement agencies, a budget and staffing shortfall for immigration and customs enforcement, lawsuits from advocacy and civil rights groups, and questions about the cooperation of countries needed to increase removal numbers.
I should hope that Jamaica will join with any other concerned country, CARICOM, whether it be through CARICOM or the Latin American states, to lobby and to use diplomatic means to see what can be done for some, shall we say, more humane approach to this pressing issue that the president has put at the top of his priority list.
Happy Friday, guys. So this is Motivational Friday. And I hope that this can reach someone who, feel like things is not working out how they really want to, but just don't give up. I've been here for the past 5 years, and in that 5 years I was able to obtain a green card and then my citizenship. But before I got to this stage where I'm at now, I had to struggle and endure a lot. I remember when I just came, I was undocumented, and whatever work is available to you, that's what you're going to do. So in the state that I am in, the most popular jobs are like housekeeping jobs. So that's what I did, and I did housekeeping 5, 6, 7 days a week, and it mashed up my foot. I had really bad Achilles tendonitis, and every morning I get up, I'm in a pain, and my job entails me using my feet. So may I work every day in a pain, But at the end of the day, I get up and I go to work every day because I know say that moment wasn't going to be my final moment, and I was working towards something. So I didn't let the pain deter me from my focus. So after doing that, you know, I get my 2-year conditional green card, and I was able to, I didn't really stop doing housekeeping. I got promoted to a supervisor, doing housekeeping and stuff. So, you know, I'm just showing you that I made progress in every step of the way while going through my experience. So I went from a housekeeper, undocumented, to getting a conditional green card, to becoming a supervisor, and then I went to school, and I'm an esthetician, so I'm a skincare specialist, right? So today I sit here. I'm now in nursing school. I'm almost done with nursing school, and I'm just showing you that just keep focus, have that tunnel vision. Don't take your eyes off of the prize, because it's there. You're going to look back on those days and you're going to appreciate those days, because guess what? You see those days, it builds character and it makes you appreciate where you are today. So just stay focused and stand firm.
I hear Donald Trump say he's going to do a mass deportation in America. And everywhere I go throughout the internet, I am seeing hundreds of videos with Jamaicans getting nervous. Say, Trump, I go deport them back to Jamaica. I don't like that looking now. And if that should happen, it can be dangerous for Jamaica. Dangerous in the sense of, if Trump ever deport, let's say, maybe hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans back to Jamaica, and the majority are going to go back with 2 long hands, with nothing, how that are going to work out? You know how much Jamaicans in America where a struggle, where if you put them on a plane right now and send them to Jamaica, they walk out of the airport, they don't know, they don't remember which part to turn God in yard. So, how that will work out? That will cause a lot of problem in a Jamaica. In regards to the crime rate and all kind of thing, the pressure are going to get even rough and tough and tight upon Jamaica. That will cause a lot of havoc and decadence in the country. If that should happen. I don't think it is fair, you know. Yes, I don't think it is fair. I think if Trump wants to deal with mass deportation, I think him have to go deport himself first. Go back to Ireland and them place there where them forward from, because the only people in America who have 100% rights for America is the indigenous people. Yes, some people can tell me say they left up a you corrupt and go down in America there and eliminate a group of people and took over the country and run through slavery and all them type of thing there and built up that land and now claim it, that even the indigenous people them not have no rights in their own land. Me nah get it. You know, see it. All the world stand by and watch them thing and go on. And I want to like say, a good or righteous thing someone do. It was inhumane and unrighteous from the initial stage of this thing when the item forward of America go fire up shots and go with a bag of thing over there and took over people's place. Deport to myself first. Yeah, man. Deport back everybody to their land if I say it go. All of the European them, included Trump, deport themselves back to Europe. Who if you go on our Middle East round so? Who if you go down our Caribbean down so? And who if you go around so and go around so? And give back the indigenous people them land. Alright, so. Can I run and strong around here? Me! Shocking Morris said that.
Now, anybody who know me knows me is a man of law and order. You see me? Me is a man who support law and order. I believe say people must live in order. You see me? Because me know fully well say and everybody can govern themselves. You see me? And everybody can control themselves. Now, with that said, when it comes to the topic of immigration, I realize everybody has something to say about it. You know? And as an immigrant, as a man who come in the place and fight like a blood clot for good up in this, I understand from a certain level how any country would have feel about any bag of people who come and cause problem. You get a second chance, you fight to get a second chance, you get it. And the only thing you can do with that second chance is kill people and commit all kind of atrocities and crime. See? Now, big up to all immigrants who are hardworking and progressive, who create a better way of life for yourself and for your youth them, or for your extended family. Big up to Uno. Big up to the people them who come here, start businesses, buy a house, buy land, and create some form of wealth and some form of stability to your life. Uno a win. But me have zero bumbuckler problem with the man them who left yard from anywhere you come from and come here, and the only thing you want to do a hitman work, robbery, home invasions. You see me? And them kind of sitting there. Me not support them kind of sitting there. Me not support them sitting there. So if a man commit himself certain way and them say ropes, it is what it is, dog. When you choose badness, it come with consequence, and you're just part of the consequence that. You understand? Now for the majority of people who is alarmed and feel like, yo, you're one of them, we might get deported. Just keep your blood clot quiet, dog. You understand? Make use of what you have. Keep your head low and go and eat and try to survive out the term. It is what it is. Yeah, man. When we take on the road for embark and come into another man's country, we don't know where the outcome is going to be. We just know say we are going to feel something what we think better than what we have. And we run left for yard and take on the next man land. And these are some of the fucking things where the next man land come with, and we have to deal with it. So now the fight is on. You have to navigate yourself and try to survive. The fittest are the fittest survivor. This them I talk about when them say that. You understand? So you ain't not crime and wrongdoing and them thing them, and just keep your head low and just do the right thing. Again, if them want to, them can't find us. So it makes sense to stress out yourself. You see me? If you name the on them list, them will find you anywhere your blood clot there. So it makes sense to run up and down and stress out yourself. Just go and enjoy the rest of the time we have you. I say go. You understand? Me would have never worry myself about nothing. Because guess what? I'm a Jamaican. I'm born in Jamaica. And if push come to shove, I'm a Jamaican. Them can't say me nowhere else different from Jamaica. Them can't say me go nowhere else but Jamaica. And if anybody at Jamaica see me end up back at Jamaica, remember me was first Jamaican. Me still Jamaican. Me a Jamaican. By blood, by heart. You understand? And the same little place up our country, we are going to go there, go see him, we are going to live and feel good. You understand? Because what? We are going to normalize it. You get me? Yeah, me come a foreign and them boost up boom and them send me back. And so what? Me not going to be first or last. And at the end of the day, on top of that, and America alone a foreign. If anyway you get dropped back out, you can try again, man. Try somewhere else. I hope other place out there want people, you know. You see me? Jamaican passport can carry with Africa, you know. And when you say, man, ready to go Africa, go live, man. What? The right thing, man. You know, badness go, man. We not stress out ourselves because the man them say, we need to live up out of them place. We're ready. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Yeah, man, we're ready, man. It is what it is, man. Don't stress out on yourself, man. It's a Jamaican. Anywhere we go, we are Jamaican. Yeah. and we can survive. You know, we know we are fighter. Josh said we are born fighter. We are born fighter. You see me? And them can't go around that. I can tell you. Yeah, man, lift up on the head, man, and go and work and enjoy yourself. Go out tonight, a weekend.
But not like nobody never asked, but I just have a share. I mean, I don't feel some type of way when you know, so you come from Jamaica, you come from Guyana, you come from Trinidad, because I know I'm not Jamaican alone, watch me. And you come here, maybe overstay, and you take a couple years, couple months to get your papers, and then you go so bam, 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 and you file for your penny them, whether through your man or through your woman or through yourself. And more while you look at your penny them with them tablet or them phone and them honor when you send them to go do something, and you know, you ask them to do a little chores, and you look at them and you say, well, watch me penny them. You know that feeling when you know so you lift up yourself from out of a country that you know from your born and grow, and you come to a new place and you are able to migrate your children here despite the struggle we face. And when I look on them when you got the mall and when you go so I look back on them in them car seats in the back of the car, look while rain a fall. Rain a fall, guys, and my son come from school and they have food in the cars. You know, girl is no cook. I have him dinner in the car and tell him to come for him, come down and rain and pour and he have an umbrella. And I just look at me, so my son taller than me. My son is taller than me, guys. And I look at him out there full of the umbrella to give me a, he could have run, go back upstairs. He give me joy, I laugh out with myself. And I say, look at my son. I feel so proud of myself. I feel so accomplished. One of the greatest accomplishments I ever achieved was to leave Jamaica and was able to take my child here. And I look at him, I go to school in a foreign, and I look how me and navigate my way in a foreign, and my son and navigate my way in a foreign. Yeah, my daughter, you know my daughter born here, so she not even 2 in night long. And I look at me and my son, because me and my son I come from one boardhouse, 1 bedroom boardhouse, down a yard with kitchen and bathroom and a 1 roof, you know, I not come from a lavish life, you know. And I look if he can call me son, I say come downstairs for your dinner and bring something, come give me, and I just feel good. I want to cry, y'all know I'm emotional. I just want to talk about myself. And I look at my son in the rain and fall, and I sit down in my car, see there in my car, I sit, the amount of video I shoot, and I say I want a car since I look why I'm sitting down here. And I look at me, see my son can bring something, come give me in a foreign, and I have my condo in a gated community, and remember, girl, I come from 1 bedroom. Literally, I try not to buy. I not try not to get no simp, not play simp and stuff. Nobody serve me, but you know that feeling there when you just accomplish. Someone will say, "Oh, fine, no better rose," but it was one of the biggest achievements for me. Phone can be on a buy on a house down a yard or do no graduate you down a yard, but my greatest accomplishment is to take my child here and have myself here and can provide. When I look at my daughter at daytime and morning time when I wake up, because she was sleeping on my bed, look like what kind of your bed. I'm growing up, my son, when I wake him up for school, you know, I feel as a mother. You know, I feeling on myself. So just big up on yourself, whoever they in a foreigner, you hold it out, big up yourself, you don't have yard, you have a penny them same way, you hold it out, you can pay your rent and you can live for a little change and do your eyelash and put on the little ear on your head. You just live and your bills, them are covered. They might not be flourishing, but you are okay. If nobody never tell you, I tell myself this too. I'm proud of myself. Chin, I'm proud of you, gally. Girl, boy, I'm proud of you. When I look on it more time, I say, Ross, me an adult, I'm responsible for 2 penny. You think a girl or boy responsibility this? When I look on them, I think they don't go to a doctor because they never sick. I think they wake up them healthy, them not have a disability. They're brilliant. I can find food. As I say, everybody can cook. When I can come in with food at evening time for them till they can refuse it. I can go pick up my daughter at daycare. I know my son walk home from school, him have him little gadget, him have him room. All I wanted out of life, them the time when I do stuff in a foreign, was to come up and buy a couple plywood and couple lat and couple nail and zinc for add my extra room for my board house. Just so my son could have him own a room. That's all I wanted on the visa that they gave me. And they start me at airport and tell me 2 weeks, we never come here for stay. I never come here to take away no land opportunity. I just come because I just want give me son 1 bedroom and have my own space and look for me sit down in a condo today. I'm son having own a room far over one side from my partner, so can you see me a nine. Look at God, look at what you have accomplished. I am proud of you. You might be having one bedroom and turn the bedroom, the living room in a bedroom, but I'm proud of you because you're doing it. You're making your situation and your life work and never settle. Because one day, just like how I can sit down here saying I'm carrying a reminiscing of the rain, one day I gonna look back and say, shit, I prayed for this shit. I'm now living it.
Living in America and visiting America is two totally different experiences. I've been here 10 years, and one thing I've learned is that you have to keep your head by your body and you have to humble yourself. You literally have to walk and be humble as humble can be. You have to keep your head by your body, especially if you don't have any family member or little to no family member to give you the support that you need financially, emotionally, mentally. You get what me I said? The people who live here and been here for years know what me I talk about and understand what me I talk about. America is a country that can make you. It can make you real quick. But it can also break you faster than how it made you. So you have to be wise, be humble, listen, pay attention, and take heed.
Hi guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment. So guys, I hope you have all seen the video. Trump is deporting illegal immigrants from USA. We all know since Trump was sworn in, he made a promise that he will deport all illegal immigrants in USA, because we all know those immigrants are found there illegally. They sneaked into USA, which is against the law, which shows that a lot of people who are living in USA, many people who are living in USA came there without proper documentations, which is against the law. Trump decided that he will deport all illegal immigrants. It doesn't matter whether you are doing a good work or you are doing a bad work, and as long as you came there illegally, he's going to deport you, of which it will cause enmity among other countries, because many people who are there went there to look for greener pastures. They went there to support their families. They went there to look for a way to satisfy themselves. They went there to make a way to put food on their tables. Once Trump is deporting those people, many of those people's family will not have enough money for food, will not have enough money to depend on themselves. They will not have enough money to pay their bills. Their family went to USA to look for money so that they can support their families. But once Trump is deporting those people, it means some people will suffer. We all know some did not go there because they wanted to go. They maybe searched to go there with proper documentation, but they did not have that chance. So they decided for them and their family to live in a good manner, they have to go there illegally. These are some of the things that are forcing people to go there illegally, which we cannot blame them, even though it's against the law. I'm not justifying them going there against the law, but some should be, some are understandable, some reasons are understandable, and some people can be understand. The reason of them going there can be understood. We all have seen Trump is deporting immigrants and has deported over 800 people up to now. we all have seen the Mexican government has refused Trump to deport their people with the USA military plane because they feel like it's not a good idea deporting those people with the plane. It sounds somehow rude, or it sounds somehow arrogant, because they are taking people back to their country forcefully. So the Mexican government decided they will provide their own plane, go to America, and bring their people back, which is a way of welcoming their people back home in a good manner and welcoming their people home in peace. And it will not create any enmity. Trump doesn't care what other countries will feel. The only thing he thinks about is those people who are found in USA illegally to go back home. He doesn't care whether he'll create enmity. He doesn't care whether the economy of USA will go down. He doesn't care. The only thing he thinks about is deporting those people to go back to their home and start a new life with the people who went there with proper documentation. But we are praying for those families, we are praying for those people so that they can get a way of them living. They should find a way to bring food on their table. They should not suffer, because some of them went there to look for a way of living. And we are praying for them to have a good life after being deported. We are praying for the best, and we are praying for the best for all our brothers and sisters who are being deported. We are praying for the best. We are wishing you well. We are hoping you'll find your way back home and start a new life there. So guys, if it was for the first time coming across this video, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment. Bye.